Hey there, this is Brian Schwepke with Paramount Performance. Today I want to talk a little bit about energy leaks. So what an energy leak is it's a spot in the body where we're losing some kind of energy. The best analogy I can think of is if you think about taking a gallon of water and you've got a whole bunch of pipes. You pour that gallon of water through the pipe, it runs all the way down there, and at the very bottom you've got another bucket that catches that full gallon. But if you start drilling holes through that pipe, if you start with a gallon of water, you pour it in there, some of that water is going to be lost throughout the process, and at the bottom you're going to end up with less than what you started with. That's essentially what it is when we're talking about energy leaks and performance. So let's take, for example, a baseball player throwing a ball. So if we start like this, we're assuming that most of the power is coming from the lower body. All right, so let's imagine we have this ball of energy. 100% ball of energy down here at our feet. So if we start here, that ball of energy starts to transfer its way up. And when we get to the hips, let's just assume that we're weak in our hips. Now we're not very stable and we don't activate very well. Now we lose a little bit of that power and we're down to 75%. Now we keep transferring up through the core, and if we're weak through the core, we lose some more. Now we're at 50%. Now we come through and we're up to the shoulder blades. Again, if we're not stable there, we lose a little bit more. And now maybe we only have 25% of our original power leading into our arm phase of throwing. Now, we're not going to throw a 10-mile-an-hour ball, so we have to find a way to increase our velocity. Our way of doing that is to make the shoulder have to do more work than it really is supposed to do. So this is where you start seeing people increase their velocity through shoulder mechanics that can end up causing pain. So they'll get their energy back up to that 75–80% mark, but they've lost a lot of energy along the way and they've set themselves up for pain. This is where it's important to find a good physical therapist or a strength coach that can really teach you how to efficiently activate your muscles and how to perform these motions in a more effective way so that you decrease your likelihood of injuries and increase your performance. If you have any more questions, please contact us or check our website at ParamountPerformancePT.com.